Hello you beautiful people, it's LIKWID here giving you a nice cozy warm welcome back, or to the channel. As always, I hope you are doing well. Now for today's video, come along and join me as we take a look around the Belgrade Aeronautical Museum. On Monday we took an up close and personal look at the F117 wing, but today I'm going to show you more of the awesome collection that the museum has on display. Belgrade's Aeronautical Museum is located just beside the Nikola Tesla Airport on the outskirts of the city, and the entry fee was 350 dinars, which is around £2.55, an absolute bargain if you ask me. Value for money indeed. Like I mentioned in Monday's video about the F117 shootdown, the museum has a fantastic collection of aircraft on display, along with various parts of munitions from the conflict in 1999. And we'll start off our tour here. This is a United States Air Force RQ-1A Predator drone, which, as you can see by the information, was shot down on the 13th of May near Kosovo. Moving on to the parts I showed you briefly in Monday's video, these are from the F-16, which was also shot down, with the undercarriage on display here, as well as pieces of the aircraft's fuselage and the ejection seat. Also in this display cabinet we can take a closer look at the second stage of the actual missile which brought down the F117, callsign Vega 31, on the 27th of March. There is also an S125 battery on display at the Kalmegdan Fortress in Belgrade, complete with 4 missiles on the launcher, which gives you an idea of just how large these missiles were. And here's a photo I took on my visit to the beautiful fortress. We get to see the Vulcan cannon recovered from the F-16 and some of the FLIR and INS equipment, and another ejection seat, this time it's the one recovered from the F117. We also see an HGU-55 helmet, and to the left of that is the label where the F117's canopy was on display. However, as you can see, unfortunately not on display during my time of visit. I am aware the museum at Kalmegdan Fortress shares exhibits with the Aeronautical Museum from time to time, so there was a chance it may have been on display there. And we'll finish off this section with a quick look at the F117 wing. Moving on, we get a nice top-down view of the MiG-21F, along with some of the armament that the aircraft carried, as well as the radar at the front as well. We'll take a closer look later in the video, but as we head back down the stairs we can see this anti-radiation missile on display. Now this missile was found near the village of Nikintsi in the Sren district. However, due to malfunction of its self-destroying mechanism, it descended to the ground via parachute and was recovered intact. I've included a picture that I have taken of the information here, so you can pause the video if you'd like to read that. Continuing onwards, we'll now take a walk around some of the exhibits, and I'll hide my wish for a bit so you can enjoy. It's quite awesome to be able to see so many beautiful warbirds in one place together, and the Yak 3 in this museum, according to the information on the board, is currently the only original Yak 3 left in its original unaltered condition in the world. So it's insanely cool to be able to see this Yak 3 along with so many of the other iconic warbirds together. I hope you have enjoyed this look around the Aeronautical Museum of Belgrade. It's a big thanks to you for watching, and all that's left for me to say is take care and stay safe. I'll catch you in the next video. But until then, this is LIKWID, signing off.